5 ways to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First, we will apply a very easy method to fix your Wi-Fi icon problem. For that, I will go to airplane mode. You need to toggle the airplane mode. It's very simple. Just come over your taskbar settings and your control center, and you will find an airplane mode option, right? If you now click on that, and if you wait for 10 seconds and then click on it again to disable it, then your Wi-Fi icon will be showing into your taskbar like mine. And if your problem is not solved yet, then go for the next tip. So now we will go for checking the network adapters. It's very simple. Just come over to your search icon, and from the search, you need to search for View Network Connections. You need to click on View Network Connections. It will be on your control panel. So now if you click on the Wi-Fi, which is right here, just right click on it. And as you can see that in my case, it has a disable option, which means it's enabled. So if you have an enable option, like for example, I'll just simply go and disable it. And as you can see that the Wi-Fi, it shows disabled. If you have this kind of interface, then you need to right click on it and then go with enable. And after enabling your Wi-Fi, you can go back to your control center right here and go with the Wi-Fi, connect to your Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed. But if it's not, then you can go with the next method, which is fix WLAN service. To do that, you need to again just simply go back and then open up your search and search for services. Click on services, and if you click on that, your services window will pop up. So now here you just need simply search for W. Click on any service that you're comfortable with, and then just simply click on W, and then you will have WLAN, which is you need to just simply scroll down and you'll find it right here. WLAN autoconfig. You can see that it's running in the background and it's automatic, right? So if it's not running, then you just need to simply come over here and then you need to right click on it, select that, and then go with the properties. And under the properties section, you will have the startup type. You need to go with the startup type and you need to select automatic. After selecting, you need to just simply stop the service and then again start the service. Make sure the service is running. So restart the service and then go with apply and OK, and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and then restart your device. So go with your Windows button and then here under the power, you will have restart. You need to just simply go with restart and restart your PC. And I think your Wi-Fi icon will be fixed. If your problem is still not solved, then we have the next solution, which is network adapters and device manager. So right click on your Windows button, which will be on the left side, and here you will have the device manager. Select device manager, or you can also simply go with your search and then search for device manager and you will find it. So the device manager is opened, and now you need to come over to the network adapters section and click on the drop down, and you will find the Intel option, right? And if you can't find it, just come over to your view section, which will be in the top, and then you will have show hidden devices. You need to click on it and it will show all of your hidden devices, and you will find your Intel section. Now what you need to do is just right click on it, and then you need to go and disable device and click on yes, and it's disabled. After that, you can go back and then again open up your device manager, click on the Intel, and then enable the device. After enabling, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So these were the 5 ways to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in your Windows, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.